What's up everybody, my name is Lopez and welcome back to another YouTube video. And I put a piece of wood between the brake pad. This is nuts. No, it doesn't. More birds. This one's on the Lancer. So today, it's that time of the year, man. We gotta change the wheels and tires. We gotta do the oil change because winter is coming. So we gotta do some maintenance before that happens. Anyway, so before that happens, I'm just gonna lose all the lug nuts on the car real quick, just so once it's up in the air, we don't have to struggle. But I'm gonna lose all the lug nuts, and then we'll get tackling on the wheels first, I think. Now we'll do the oil change first, and we'll do the wheels last. All right, let's get into it. All right, so I'm not gonna waste y'all's time. I'm gonna jump into it. I want this to be a quick video, so let's jump into it and do it right away. All right, let's go. I'm only gonna do the front too because we're starting with the front, and then I'll do the oil change, then we'll change those, then we'll go to the back and do that one after. All right, I'm running out of time. I only have like 2 hours to do this, so let's see if we can get it done in time. I was definitely due. It's really dark and it's at the bottom. All right guys, so obviously with the winter coming, you do need to change your winter tires. So these are mine. Luckily they're already on rims, so I don't have to like get them changed or whatever. And I was already doing oil anyway, so might as well do the oil too. And I want fresh oil for the winter, so this is good. Gives me that little boost. My oil's good. Anyway, as you guys saw, my oil was pretty dark and pretty low, so we need to change it real quick. I'm gonna open the gap, go on the bottom, open it up, and then change. Should take like 15 minutes, Alright, so I'm just gonna open this guy up. Now that it's open, the oil should flow so much better. It's my little board to lay on down there. Alright, so my drain bucket is in place. That's my plug. Let's open it up. Nice heavy flow. It's good. Plug is in. Oil filter is coming out now. I'm gonna let that keep draining for a bit before I put back the filter. All the nasty oil out. Alright, so that's the oil. That's the oil done right now. There's so many bars. Look at that. That's how you know winter is coming, eh? Because all these birds are running away. They don't want to be here for the winter. Look at all those birds on that side. There's way too many. So if you're wondering what the noise is, those are birds. Anyway. So oil is drained, filter is in, hand tight only. Now we're filling it up, cleaning up my funnel. Okay, one more time. This is nuts. The whole sky is filled with birds. Anyway, I know you guys didn't come here to see birds. I just thought that was cool. Anyway, so let's keep going. Can't have any bird distractions, eh? That's much better. All the birds are gone now. Anyway, since we have the magnets loose, this is gonna be so much easier because they'll come right off. So we'll do this side and then I'll do this side. I'm going to bore you guys doing this 4 times. So. Number 1, done. So I think these are directional. Yep. You guys look right here. There's a little mark that says rotation and arrows pointing that way, so you want to make sure the arrows are going forward and not backwards. Don't forget the start partner when you're doing your limits. Always do the start partner. This is good. Once that's done, I won't bore you guys with doing the other side. I'll just finish it real quick and then I'll show you the back side, and I won't bore you guys with the other one, just so this video is not 20 minutes long. Second tire is done. Let's move on. I'm gonna lower the car. So I broke the front lug nuts at the front one loose before we lifted up the car. These ones, I forgot to do that. So now when I try, it doesn't work. I have to try and hold it in one place while I was trying to spin it. And I can't use my e-brake because it's not working. At least not well, it doesn't hold the vehicle. I can try it. Okay, so this is with e-brake up. Oh, well, that does work. That's good. I'm happy now because I thought I was gonna have to like use my leg because my e-brake doesn't really hold my car because it's really loose. Maybe on the other tire, but I'm surprised it worked, to be honest. I don't think it'll work on the other one though. No, it doesn't. That's good. I'm glad. I was scared for a second there, man. So we got a problem. Let's check it out. So my e-brake, currently my e-brake is up, but it only works on that tire, not on this one, because this one is the one with a snapped cable. Like all the e-brake shoes in here are snapped off. Like I took them out because they don't work and I haven't replaced it. So the e-brake is on and look what happens. Just spins. Oh man. And it's up in the air already. I think I'm gonna try to improvise.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
If this works, you guys need to subscribe. Seriously. No, it doesn't. Hi. Never mind. Let's try this one. If this works, you all need to subscribe right now. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on, you all need to subscribe. I'm gonna show you guys what I did. Turn off the car real quick. Yeah, 1 second. As you guys know, the e-brake was not working on that tire in the back. So then, what I did, I pressed the brakes and I put a piece of wood between the brake pad, the brake pedal, and my chair. But it wasn't working very well because there's not enough pressure in the brake because the car is off. So I turned on the car. Sorry guys, the video cut out there. Anyway, what I was trying to say is, so there wasn't enough pressure in the brake booster because the car was off. So I turned on the car, pushed the brake pedal all the way down, put the piece of wood there, and that created enough pressure to stop all the wheels completely. And then this tire couldn't move at all. So then that's how I got it to spin. But yeah, so don't try this at home, man. That's just what I did. I was just lazy to put the car all the way down and then loosen the lug nuts. But don't be lazy, guys. If you have time, just do it. You know, I don't have time, so I was trying to rush, but something could have gone wrong, but hey, it didn't. So yeah, but if you guys have the time, just put it all the way down, start over. Things happen, people forget, so it's normal, you know. But yeah, but that I'm smart for that one, man. You all gotta subscribe for that one, you know. I don't know why I forgot to undo them when I did those, you know. So whatever. All right, let's do this. So yeah, obviously, lesson of the day, guys. Don't forget to loosen the lug nuts whenever you're changing tires before you lift it up. Unless your e-brake works. If it works, then don't listen to me. Mine doesn't work, because then it would have been fine. But if my e-brake was working, then I'd be good. But you know, let's get this done. Okay, so I'll do this one again real quick. Same as the front, but content. And then, yeah. Yeah. All right, now that that tire is on, we're gonna make sure. Ooh, see? So right here, I didn't check the rotation. So this tire has to go on that side because the rotation is going backwards. You get what I'm saying? I'll switch them around. And this tire right here, this one has the correct rotation for this side. So it's going forward. So I know I'm good. Again, don't forget the star pattern, pretty important. And obviously we'll torque them after, so don't worry. But yeah, this side is good, it's done, nice and steady. It's pretty much copy and paste for the other side, so I don't need to bore you guys, showing you guys too. So let me finish that real quick, and then we'll finish up the rest. All right, tire number 4 done. So that one's done, this one's done, this one's done. And I know these tires, so whoever painted them didn't do a really good job because all the paint's coming off. And these are my winter tires. All right, let's put this car down. All right, so tires are done. I'm gonna check the oil level, see if we're good, but I'm gonna let the car run for at least 5 minutes and then we'll check the level. And then I'll do like a semi-cold start because it's not really a cold start because the car already ran, so that sounds nice.
2 hours later.
Alright, so she's been running for about 5 minutes. So let's check the oil, see where we're at. If we need to add any more. So if you guys see the second hole right there, that's the full line. This is a low line. Sorry, the first hole, that means it's low. The second hole, that means it's full. And our oil is just on the second hole, so I think it's pretty good. I might add just a little bit more, but I think this is good for now. But I might also let it sit for a minute just so the oil settles down, so we can actually see where the level is. But this is pretty good. Yeah, add just a little bit, just a tiny bit, just to be sure. I'll add just a little bit. YOLO. Peoples, if you're wondering why I was hand pumping one of the tires over there, is because that's why. I've been in my house for literally like all summer, so I guess the air went down or whatever. So, and I don't have an air compressor to pump them up or anything. This is what I have, a bike pump thingy. So I'll use this for now until I get to the nearest convenience store and just like pump it up. But just for me to get by, I'll use this for now. But yeah, I think it's 2 tires, this one and that one, but they're not flat. I made sure they're not flat. They don't have a slow leak or anything. So this is a sign I need to invest in a pump or an air compressor, so I don't have to be dealing with this. I'm currently like at 10. Yeah, I'm like at 10 psi currently. So if I get to like 25 or 30, that'll be good. Let's do this quick. It's like at 25. It's not any better, but I think it'll last for now, you know? Alright, peoples, check this out. So currently, on this tire, we are at about 25 psi if you look in there. Yeah, that's not good. You need to put way more in there. About 32, I'm pretty sure. Alright, peoples, so oil change is done, tires are done, and it's time to torque them. Got my handy dandy torque wrench right here. I'm pretty sure for this car, I'm supposed to set it to 82 foot-pounds, but I'm probably just gonna do like 85 just to be happy. That's 85 right there. Then we'll lock it. Okay, so I'll talk this one for y'all, then we'll speed run the rest. Alright, that's it. It's done. And I'll just bring it back and we'll speed run all of them. Alright, they're done being torqued. Alright, peoples, so engine oil is done, wind tires are done. That's pretty much it. It's always good to do this before the winter comes in. You don't want to do it too late when it's snowing and it's cold. It's pretty cold today. It's about 7 degrees. Not the coldest, but when winter comes, it's gonna be even colder. So I'm glad I got this done quick enough. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna show you guys around the car real quick. I appreciate how clean it is, because I actually cleaned it this weekend. So I'm crazy. Yeah, I know. It needs to be painted. It's literally odd one out, but it's nice. There we go. Let me know what you guys think. I appreciate you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Peace. We got even more birds. What is this? Fleeing, guys. They don't like winter. They're fleeing from us. Anyway, bye. That's it. That's the last one. Bye.